Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cam back with another video. And in today's review, we'll be doing a review on Transformers Siege Omega Supreme. And I picked this guy up at BigBadToyStore.com. And, yeah, he's pretty big. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit this all on camera. I'm going to have to move Megatron out of the way. So, here's the front of the box. Got a nice picture of Omega. Can't really get this all in, but there's that. I'll have to move up. Here's the top. Here's the side, right there. And then here's the back. So, yeah, I guess, oh crap. We'll just get right into it. I will cut this open. And I cannot wait to get this guy out. Alrighty, okay. Right there. We're going to have to move the camera. Right here, while we get this guy out. Okay. Jiminy. That's what he's in right now. This is gonna be hard to do. Just hang on. And he is a Titan class. Jiminy. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. We got him. Stand. So there's Omega Supreme. Yeah, he's a big one. I'm not gonna take him out of the box because it'll be way too big, but he looks really, really good. This figure just looks amazing in person, like just amazing. He's actually really tall. I think he's shorter than the Fort Max. Just for a comparison, here he is with a deluxe. Yeah. He comes with some effects parts. He's come with his wings. He comes with a little countdown. He's got his gun, got his claw, got his legs. Really nice head sculpt. Just overall, really, really good figure. I'll cut out Countdown since he's the smaller component. But there he is. He's just a tiny little vehicle. I don't really know what else, much else to say about it. He's just a vehicle. But I mean, there he is compared Omega Supreme. So he's pretty big. I think he's really just a great figure. Here's his instructions. They're pretty big. They call this right here that gun arm, the plasma blaster, and then the claw arm, the crusher claw. And then he has a cannon on the back of his head called the laser cannon. If I can turn his head around. Right there, that red cannon, which is called the laser cannon, which is pretty cool. So, turn his head around. So, yeah, overall, he's a great figure. I've been waiting for this figure for so long, and he's almost as tall as my backdrop. I think he's just amazing. I love this little, drop him, countdown dude. He's just really cool. So, I possibly will be getting a review up for him. I don't know if I can fit him all on my table. I may have to take off my backdrop and clean off my table just to fit them on. But, yeah, so that's about it for the video. So, like always, go down, hit that subscribe button, destroy the like button. If we can get 20 likes at most, that will make my day. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. And just don't worry about my hair. I don't. Peace.